Okay guys, I'm back and I'm going to do a test pour with the colors that I mixed up. This is Naples yellow, titanium. This is a turquoisey color. And I'm going from very light. Now I'm going through the colors by how deep they are. So I'm trying to put them in order. And I'm going to finish off with this color again. There we go. They are some really fun colors, but I'm not really sure how it's going to pan out. So I'm going to do a little swirl like that, and then starting a ring pour. Let's see. Ooh, it's not ringing very well because I'm not doing it right. Now, let's see. There's no silicone in here. That's not what we're looking for. Those are neighbors' kids playing here in the where the car's parked. I think I like my feather pours better than the ring pour is. I really don't like it. I wanted more of the turquoise to pop up, and now it's sort of greenish because of the yellow. And I might even just swipe the whole thing if I had some white. Let's see. We're going to swipe it with white. Going to make it nice and thin. There it is. And we're going to add a little of the silicone to the white. So there's no silicone in here, only in the white. And I am going to pour it on top. Like that. And I'm going to swipe it with a piece of photo paper. So I want it to go a little bit over the side there. And then we're going to swipe it like that. Oops. And before I torch it, I'm going to let it go over the side. And already I see some cells popping up, of course, but that's okay. It's nicely covered. I think it needs another swipe, but the colors are really gone muddy really fast. We'll see what happens when we torch this. Okay, that's about all that we're going to get out of it. I'm going to get a little brush. Let's see, got one here. There we go. There, that's it. Now for a background, this is perfect. For embellishing it, I don't think so, because I'd like to have a little bit more colors than this. And I might even put a little I might even put a little ribbon on top of it. Let's see. Let's do a ribbon. Just 2 of them like this. Just to make it a little bit more interesting. And then we can work on that. I think that might be it, but look how much the colors have run together. So that's not something that I'm really fond of, but we can do something with that. I'll put this aside a little bit, and then I'll show you what's left in here. Now this is sort of nice. I like the muted colors. That looks okay. I can keep that one and another one. Maybe we should just put a little bit more of the lighter color in there. Stir it through a little bit just to give it some definition. They really do look like butterfly wings, don't they? Oops. I really like this top bit here, but the rest I don't like. Just one more. Let's see what we can come up with. Maybe a tiny little ring pour. We'll see how that dries. Sometimes, you know, you make these little things. I don't have my little matte things here, but I want to see how that works out. Okay, one more. I lied. And I want to have some, maybe some more turquoise. Let's see how that's going to work out. That's it. We'll see how that works. There's not one that I really, well, I do really like these colors though. They are really nice and muted. So we can save those and see what we can come up with. Like I said, this is nice. I'll give you a close-up though. Let me get you in focus. I do like the addition of the ribbons because it just gives it a little bit more. And overall, I think it's a pretty little canvas, but I expected something else. And I'm sure that you guys have that too, that you have something in your mind and then when you pour it, all of a sudden it's not exactly what you thought it would be, then you get a little bit, you know, thinking, nah. But we can live with this one. What I really want to do is add glitter, of course, but just on the ribbons, just to make them pop just a little bit more. But I have my good glitter inside. See, look at that. That is what I was going for. Those colors, I love those colors. So maybe I should just do a different sort of a pour. Thinking about this. This I'm going to keep anyway. This is really growing on me. I kind of like it. And what I'd really like to do is add a little bit more of the orange just out of the cup. Let me check. Just a tiny bit of that orange. Just putting it in here and there. Just to give it a little bit more of the definition that it needs. Just here and there, just to brighten up the whole picture. That's it. Now I really like it. That's so strange. And maybe a little bit of the turquoise. Just here and there to brighten it up. See that just adding a couple of those dots really just brightens it all up. I want to fill that in. There it goes. Are we in focus? Yes, we are. And now I'm thinking it needs a little bit of that yellow too. Just keep on going with this. Just here and there, a couple of little dots, just over the ribbon. Love it. That's it. That's all I'm going to do to it. So I love that one. And then when I see this, because it's small, it's 15 by 15 centimeters, then I almost think, why didn't I make it bigger? Because then it would look awesome, really big. But we can work on that another time, right? Okay, guys, gotta clean up and gotta go to my next, gotta go to my next video because I have a lot of paint left over, so we're gonna do a bigger one, I guess. See you in a bit. Love you all to pieces.